How's it going, guys? My name's Chant, and Thanksgiving went great. Ate a lot of turkey, turkey, mashed potatoes, and it's Thanksgiving dinner or supper, and gathering's still not over for us. Went to Amy's parents, and we ate good, so I was full. I fell asleep. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. All right, guys, I really don't ask for much from you guys. I've been pumping out we're almost about 700 something videos, you guys, for the last 2 years that I've been doing this vlog. And I really don't ask for much from anyone or anything. I don't like to ask. You know, today is the big day for Black Friday sales. And all of this is possible because of you guys. I'm not saying it just because I'm saying it. The reason why all of this daily hustle stuff has grown and evolved is because of you guys. You guys have been watching this for the last 2 years, been following me, and to the new ones that's been following me. It's because of people. It's because of this community, and that's why I've built this brand, and I've got shirts, hats, and t-shirts, all of these other things that I'm getting my hands into. You guys, I'm not trying to be a millionaire out of all of this stuff. I created this not knowing how I was going to go into doing all of this. It grew as the channel grew. I made these shirts and hats just to give to you guys, to have a little piece of the daily hustle. Everybody's from different countries and different states and different places in the world. And this is the only way, a small part of me, that I can give, you know, give a little bit of this hustle, the daily hustle, for each one of us, for you guys to wear, or for you guys to have. You know, I don't make much, you guys. I don't make much. To be honest, I don't make much on these t-shirts. Whatever I'm making, I'm putting it back and putting it back into these shirts, and making more and pushing them out for you guys. And it's just an opportunity to, it's because I care, you guys. It's because I care about what I do. And that's why these content, I try to push out as much as I can and do my best on it. And so it's long story short, it's Black Friday, and it's only right if I do a Black Friday sale. 20% off, you guys, of everything that I've got in the entire store. It's live now while you guys are watching this, and we're dropping this new shirt I'm wearing, the baseball type shirt, baseball long sleeve tee looking thing. I don't know what you call it, but the Team Hustle logo on it, that's releasing today, or that's released today. And then the long sleeve hoodies as well. If you guys follow me on Instagram, go to my website, chantsdailyhustle.com. I'll put the link down in the description as well to go to the site. And when you go check out, enter the promo code Black Friday 2017, and that you will get your 20% off whatever you order. So I'm not asking for much, you guys. It's just, you know, it's Black Friday. I want to see these merch move, and to be in the hands of all the Daily Hustle supporters. So with that being said, you guys, I don't want to go on too long with this, but check it out. With that being said, you guys, enjoy the vlog, and thank you. Good morning, guys. It is November 22nd on this Wednesday morning. Nice cool morning. I haven't vlogged much, but gonna get back into it here. Been working in the office, guys, trying to get stuff done. What we're gonna do today is we are gonna go out and do a cleanup, just a small cleanup job that we picked up yesterday. The guy tried calling a bunch of different other companies, but nobody picked up their phone, so we ended up getting the job. And since we picked up our phone, and so it's a little bit out of our ways, but it pays, you know, it pays, so we're gonna go out and do it. And so that's what we are gonna do this morning. Alright guys, so here's what we've been working on. We've been getting the shop all ready. Like, I've been wanting to do this. So we've got all the Daily Hustle merch. I want to put some more stuff on the wall, and we arranged a few things around here, and then we got our own photo shoot set up here. That's where we do our promotion, our photo shoot for our Daily Hustle gear. So yeah guys, that's what we've been working on, and getting some gears out as well. And now we are actually going to go out and hook up the trailer, get the simplicity mower with the bagger back out, load everything up, and we're gonna head out and do some cleanup. We're getting the trucks all warmed up. The red rake, Michael. Okay. Trimmer. Where's our trimmer at?
That's trimmer?
Yeah. The hedge trimmer we'll need. We'll have to run these.
Regular trimmer too?
While Michael's doing that, I'm gonna get the simplicity mower out. No snow yet, guys. Normally we get some snow by now. At least we'd push one time in November. Haven't pushed any snow yet in November here. So, but it's just nice to just get stuff done. Wanting to get done. You know, you're so busy working out and working during the summer or during the season, and it's just difficult to get there. So, or difficult to do those things. So when you have time, you just do it. Yeah, now we got to get this more out, so hopefully we don't get it stuck. Okay, come straight. Alright guys, so I still got to take this truck in to get DOT'd, to go get it inspected and stuff, so it's ready for this plowing season. So I got to do that. That's one thing I wanted to do as well. Took a couple pulls, but got it to start. Good on that, guys.